So, running the grinder this morning, we got some bearing issues. You can hear it just grinding. We're going to change out bottom set of bearings. I've already changed the top set out. So this bottom wheel right here, bearings are bad. 3/4 inch wrench and socket. Slide this off. We're going to take washers off, the spacer off, slip the bolt with the spacer on it off. Then you've got a snap ring in here. And I hate snap rings. I just want to work that, kind of wiggle it till that snap ring pops up on one side. Then you can take your hook and get behind it. Keep working it up. Pops right out. Got a punch upside down. I don't know if you can hear that, but they're pretty well shot. That's the inner bearing. It's not horrible, but it's out of grease. And I only had 4 bearings left. These take 3 bearings per wheel. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the shield out of this one. This was the center bearing. We're going to put one of the new bearings in. They're new bearings. They look old because I've had them for probably a year. But we're going to wipe this out good. That bearing on the outside. Bottom that one out. Then we're going to pack this one. I'm going to go spray this out real quick before we pack it. It's cleaned out, get all the dust out of it. I'm going to pack both sides. as fast as these are spinning, as soon as this gets warmed up, that grease is going to melt and get into all the bearings. So you ain't got to worry about a bearing packer. But I do want that grease all the way down in there. Drop the new bearing in on top. So we got basically new bearing, old bearing, new bearing. Did I mention I hate snap rings? And there you have it. You got fresh bearings. I'm going to go back just like we came off. We're going to put that in, bolt in with the spacer on it, spacer, washers. That back through. Alright, so first thing, the wheels I changed the bearings out on yesterday. They come from eBay, US company. I think they're called Dictator. They make the wheels that I bought for my grinder. The bearings I changed out are 1/2 by 3/8 by 1 1/8. So when you're looking those bearings up, they're going to be 1/2 by 1 1/8 by 3/8 wide. Which brings me to, when you get into bearings, bearings are rated by ABEC. You can get 1s, 3s, 5s, 7s, 9s. So bearings are rated by their tolerance. The tighter the tolerance, the higher the rating. So a 9 would be the tightest tolerance possible. 1's pretty much the loosest tolerance possible. You're going to find a lot of ABEC 1 bearings on the line. The American standard, from what I understand, is an ABEC 3. I like the 5s if you can find them. I used to build high-speed fishing reels, casting distance. So in the reels, I like the 7, but that's just, you ain't gonna find them in 1 inch by, or 1/2 inch by 1 1/8 by 3/8. So shoot for 5s if you want some good quality bearings. You can settle for 3s. They'll last a couple of years. 1s you're going to get about a year out of. But I just wanted to throw that in this video, so I know a lot of guys know how to do this stuff, but there's some knife makers out there that have no clue how to do the maintenance stuff on their grinders, and that's just part of it. You can find them on Amazon, you can find them on eBay, just about any of the online shopping places will have those bearings. And once again, they're 1/2 inch by 1 1/8 by 3/8.